We would like to introduce our special lecture on July 25th and August 1st. The target age group of first class Hannam is junior students aged 10 to 15. However, we surprisingly found that many high school students who lack time due to the college entrance exam were also interested in taking this special lecture. Therefore, this special lecture is designed specifically for 10 to 18-year-olds. In Part 1, a current dean of Graduate School of International Studies, Ewha Women's University, prepared a special lecture for junior students. Why do international wars and conflicts arise? When can states resort to the use of force? The legality and legitimacy of the use of force in international relations. What are international human rights? Who has responsibilities and to whom? How do we pursue good global citizenship? The topic of another day, August 1st, will be as follows. Do you know the meaning of nationalism? Do you know the meaning of internationalism? How are the two related? Do you know the meaning of global governance? What are the roles of international organizations? What are the challenges they face? In Part 2, a former judge at the Permanent Court of Arbitration located in The Hague, Netherlands, is currently working as a Korean and New York State attorney at Kim & Chang Law Firm, prepared a special lecture for junior students. Why do we need to know the international law? Do you know the international judicial organizations located in The Hague, Netherlands? What are the legal solutions to international conflicts? We are all public diplomats, and we can also become first-class diplomats. Students who have attended all special lectures by Professor Brendan Howe and Scott Lee will be awarded a certificate. Please RSVP at your earliest convenience, and we look forward to seeing you at this enriching event. Thank you. For detailed information on this special lecture, please refer to the flyer attached here, or you may visit our website, www.first-class-hannam, for registration. The background music you are listening to now is Flying, performed by Steve Barakat. The contents of the First Class Hannam brand profile introduced today are registered with the Korea Copyright Commission. So, we inform you that the copyright belongs to First Class Hannam. An unauthorized reproduction is prohibited without the permission of the copyright owner, founder, and representative, Sophie Kang. Here is our contact information. Thank you. This was First Class Hannam.